How's it guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be busy with CS50, Mario.c, the more comfortable version, or can I say the less comfortable version. So basically what we're going to do is I've already completed it, as you can see here below, and I'm just going to do it for you again. And what we're going to do is we're just going to copy the previous Mario version. We're going to copy all the code and we're going to paste it over here. And then there's only a few things that we need to change. So you can see here, let's just go ahead and see what they're asking. Let's just go ahead and have a look what they actually want. Problem set 1. Right. The more comfortable version. Right, so they want 2 pyramids. As you can see here, there's 2 spaces. Right. So first of all, we need 2 spaces. So let's go do that. And then we need to print hashes afterwards. So if we go here, very cold. And we need to go ahead and print 2 hashes. That's the first thing that we're going to do. Second thing that we're going to do is then we're going to go ahead and we're going to make another for loop exactly the same as before. Right then and there. Then we're going to go ahead and print hashes again to complete the set. Because we want a pyramid. We want exactly the same thing, just on the opposite side. So it makes logical sense if you can see the pattern. So if you have a look here, like, okay, we print hashes over here. Let me not forget the comma. It makes actually perfect sense because look, if you have a look here, like I said, it's 1, 2, and then right after that, you go for the for loop, exactly the same for loop. So it's the same pattern of hashes, and then you print a hash again, and then obviously a new line. Okay, so let's just test this code out and have a look if it's correct. I just want to get this away. Right, we're going to go ahead and make Mario. Okay. External int printf. Something is wrong here. Oh yeah, typo. And another one. Semicolons. Make Mario. Slash Mario. And enter height of 5. There you go. There you got the two pyramids. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I helped you guys out. To be honest with you, I struggled with this lab set quite a bit because I thought I had to make two for loops, a for loop within a for loop, and then yeah, I eventually just figured it out on my own, and I just hope these videos help you guys out. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode. Please like and subscribe if this helped you out, especially the youngsters. And thanks for watching my channel. Okay, see you guys. Bye.